Hey guys, welcome to my another vlog. I'm in zoo again to address young minds about snake conservation and awareness.
Most of the fatality rates in India comes from this four species of snakes, and among that, Russell's viper contribute most of the snake bites in India. ಹಾವಿನ ದ್ವೇಷ 12 ವರ್ಷ ಹಾಡು ಕೇಳಿದ್ದೀರಾ? ಹಾವು ತಲೆ ಮೇಲೆ ಮಣಿ ಇರತ್ತಲ್ವಾ, ನಾಲ್ಕು ಮಣಿ ನಾನು ನೋಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ. So these are the myths what we have across the snake. When you go to jungle or treks and all, so always wear a high coat because you don't know like where the snake might be when you're walking inside the high grasses. So always be cautious.